Over here, Nico.
Mr. Nico, how about the merger?
Just one shot, look this way.
Here you go, Nico. Look, fresh bananas for you. Here you go, Nico. Enjoy that banana.
Nico seems very calm today.
Yes, behavior is normal. I'll update the log now.
It's all right, Nico. Easy now.
We're just going for a little walk. Good boy.
Comfort levels look good.
Agreed. The preliminary data is very promising. He's all settled in.
Perfect. The analysis was a complete success.
The localized spike here suggests a strong correlation with the behavioral task.
Yes, and the fMRI data on the tablet supports that hypothesis.
Nico, the monkey. These results cannot be right.
But the data is clear. We've never seen anything like this.
That's impossible. Look at those readings.
This pulsating section indicates high activity. We should focus the next scan here.
Understood. I'll update the imaging plan parameters now.
Are these results accurate?
The scans confirm it. It's analyzing the data faster than the supercomputer.
But it's a monkey.
Here's the keychain. That will be €5, please.
Oh, it's perfect. Thank you.
Over here, Nico.
Mr. Nico, how about the merger?
Just one shot. Look this way.
The bridge needs to be wider. Look at the angle here in the photo.
You're right. I'll adjust the curvature now.
Today, we announce a monumental achievement. The Proboscis Monkey, long misunderstood.
The habitat destruction is undeniable. Nico is facing
Imminent danger.
but the conservation efforts are showing.
All right, class, settle down. Today we discuss the sociobiology of primate behavior.
All right, we have time for a few questions now. Yes, please, go ahead. As you can see, the holographic projection allows us to explore the hippocampus in unprecedented detail. Notice the neural pathways here.
Rerunning the scan on the parietal lobe now.
Check the synchronization across the neural network. It looks slightly off.
The cap is secure. Good. The readings look stable now.
So if you apply this formula here, the result clarifies the whole equation.
Oh, I see now. That makes perfect sense.
neural pathways in the hippocampus are clearly degrading. Look at the scan.
But the gray matter density suggests otherwise.
We can't jump to conclusions yet.
Look at these readings. It's unprecedented. How is this possible?
The neural density in the olfactory bulb is remarkable, far exceeding what we observed in the previous models.
Do you think it correlates with their social structures?
Subject Delta just solved the wheel mechanism.
Noted. Time elapsed 42 seconds.
Good work. You get the apple slice.
He's very focused today. Look at the juvenile's behavior right there.
Yes, noted the aggression after grooming.